In this video, I'll be showing you how to add business location on Snapchat Map. So what you want to do is go to the top screen and press your profile icon. And then here, go down to sharing location Snap Map. Then here we can suggest a place. So from here, it will require you to put in all information about your place or the business. As you see on the map here, there is a business already added on there. So that is a good example. But yeah, fill out all these details. Once you've done that, press submit. So once you have done that, it will say your suggestion has been received and it is awaiting permission and verification. So once you have done it, it will be verified. You have to wait for it to be verified. If that's been verified, it will be on the maps for you. So I hope this video helps. Speak to you soon.